Hi everyone, welcome back to App Guide. I'm back with another tutorial video today, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can change your email address to your Microsoft account. So if you've created a Microsoft account with a certain email address but now want to switch to something else, as you create a completely new Outlook email address or simply associate any other alias, I am going to show you how this can be possible for you. This is not possible through the Microsoft Teams app on your mobile device. So for this, you'll have to go to your web browser and then go to login.live.com. Make sure that you're logged into your Microsoft account. And then when you're logged into your account, you will land on an interface that looks like this. Here you can see that on the upper section, there are a lot of options. Besides the Microsoft account section, you can see there are three dots. Tap on the three dots and then tap on the option that says your info. After tapping on your info, you will now be directed towards a page where you will be shown every single information that is relative of your account. So here I'm just going to scroll downwards until I reach the section that says account info. There you can see an option that says edit account info, so tap on edit account info. As you tap on edit account info, here under account alias, you'll be able to see your primary alias at the moment. So the primary email address that you're using at the moment is this particular email address. What you can do is you can simply remove, and now it says here that you'll have to choose another primary alias. So I'm just going to tap on OK. So I'll tap on add email in order to change my email. So I'm just going to create a new email address and add it as an alias. What you can also do is you can add an existing email address as a Microsoft account alias. So if you have an account on Hotmail, Gmail, Yahoo, anything, you can just simply tap on this button and enter those here. But for me, I'm just going to create a new email address. So I'm just going to type it over here. So after doing this, you can already see that I have now made another email address. Now what I can do is I can simply make this the primary email address. So I'm just going to tap on make primary. And here it says, do you want to make this your primary alias? So I'm just going to tap on yes. And after I do that, I will now be directed towards another page that will show me my primary alias, and I can remove this altogether. Tap on remove. So after doing that, you'll be able to see that my email has now been changed. So this is basically how you can change your email on your Microsoft account. It's a very simple process, but you have to follow the instructions. So make sure that you follow these instructions in a step-by-step manner. I hope that this video has guided you through how you can exactly do that. If you found this helpful, do let us know in the comment section below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share and subscribe to App Guide. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I'll see you around next time.